Hello students, how are you? Hoping you're good health. And you studied English first, footprints without feet. In last videos, okay, chapter number 1, we went through. And now this video relates with grammar skills. And the main part of grammar is tenses. As you know very well, tenses help you to improve your skill to speak fluently, okay, as well as in writing skill. Here I brought for you the first tense, means present. There are three tenses, as you know very well: present tense, past tense and future tense. And now I'm going to describe about the first tense. This is present indefinite. It's very good tense and you usually meet with these situations. Okay. Present indefinite tense. First you should know about this. Where we use present indefinite tense means in reality, in habits, and of course daily routine things. Means present indefinite tense we always use, especially in these type of three factual things: reality, the thing which is real, the object which is real, okay. Next, habits. If you are accustomed with anything, if you have addiction of anything, means you can't quit that thing in your life. It shows your habit. Means habits are always relate with present indefinite tense. Next, daily routine things, the work, okay, the things which you do daily in your life. It means you need to express your views, your sentences in these three factual things. That shows present indefinite tense, okay. Here this is a rule scheme of present indefinite, simple rule scheme, okay. We talk about simple at first. If the sentence is related with, students, this rule scheme is indicating towards simple sentences of present indefinite tense, okay. At first you need to add subject, means who carries the subject, who is the speaker of a sentence, okay, who is carrying the action verb, that is called your subject, okay. And what subject does, it is called verb, right? And here in this tense you have to use only first form of the verb, and along with first form you need to join here s or es, right? After that, object. There are two types of object: direct object and indirect object. Object is also related with verb and subject, okay, the action verb, the remaining part of a sentence. And what and whom, these are the questions which are related with the object, and object always come at the last. Subject, verb first form, as or es plus object. This rule scheme you have to follow to make or to frame your sentence, okay. Then first you must come to know what are the singulars and plurals. Singulars means the thing, the main part, who is the speaker. If that speaker is singular, means he, she, it, or any one proper noun, these are called singular names. Plurals are I, we, you, they, or more than one. These are called plurals, okay. Shall we start the sentences? You know it very well. Then due to corona outbreak, okay, everywhere, okay, you are listening each and every concept related with coronavirus, and I think now you are sick of, now you are fed up with all these things which are associated with corona. But now some sentences I am relating with this so that it's very casual to understand and easy to understand, okay. First sentence: we always wear mask. The thing which you do daily, okay. We always wear mask means always is used after the subject, and we is called plural here. We always wear masks. No need to join here as, okay, not wears. It is called wear, first form of verb. We always wear mask. Okay. We stay at home daily. Stay is also first form of verb, and after we you have to use subject, verb first form, okay, then object. We stay at home daily. Next, they maintain social distancing. They, subject. Maintain, first form of verb, not maintains, okay. It is an error. You have to edit that error. They maintain social distancing, because they plural subject is here. They maintain social distancing. Next is she follows. Here I have used s after first form of verb, means follow. She follows hygienic measures. Okay, she is singular form. Okay, she is singular subject here. She follows, not follow. Next, my friend never follow these rules. Then my, you can here use my friends. My friends never follow these rules. Here we have used here first form. In all the sentences, these sentences are related with present indefinite. These sentences are related with the reality, okay, habits and daily routine things. I think you got understand. Now we take the examples of negative. Okay, these sentences you have to convert into negative sentences, and in negative you have to use here do not and does not. And if you are using does not in the sentences, no need to connect again s or es with first form of verb. Does is sufficient, okay, to be used in the sentence. Do not. Where we use do not always use with plural numbers. Okay. And does not always use with singular numbers. Singular numbers. Okay. For example, suppose these sentences you have to convert into negative. We always wear mask. In negative sentence, we don't. But here, always is there. Okay, that's why never. Okay, never is accurate to be used. We never wear mask in negative sentences. On the other hand, if always is not there, then in negative sentence, we don't wear mask. Next, we stay at home daily. In negative sentences, we don't stay at home daily, not doesn't. Okay, after we, after I, we, you, they, or more than one subject, means with plural numbers you have to use don't. Okay, next, she is called here singular, that's why she doesn't. Okay, doesn't or does not. She doesn't follow, not follows, because we have used here does. We already used does here. She doesn't follow hygienic measures. Okay, next, my friends never follow. Right, here it's called negative. Students, okay, now the simple sentences and negative sentences, you got everything. Now the turn of interrogative sentences. Right, in interrogative sentences I have told you that does and do. Does, do you have to use, but in which form you have to use. First of all, there are two parts, okay, of interrogative, first and second. In first part, the sentences which start from auxiliary form, means do or does. Second, which start from WH words. WH words or question tag words like what, where, when, how, why. If your sentences start from these words, this is the second method of interrogative. But the rule scheme which you need to follow here, okay, the sentences which start from auxiliary form, means do or does, you have to carry on like this. Do you wear mask daily? Okay, somebody asked you question, do you wear mask daily? It means here you is plural here, that's why you need to join here do, not does. Do you wear mask daily? Next, does she follow the safety measures? Means again question, does she follow the safety measures? Does she is singular, that's why you need to join here does, then subject, do, then subject, then first form of verb, then object, does, then subject, then first form of verb. Okay, then the remaining part means object. Do your friends stay at home without any job? Okay, your friends here, not your friend. If your friend is there, then does you need to join here. If friends, then do your friends stay at home without any job? Next, if your sentences are linked with WH words, okay, how can you put question? Okay, like this. What do you want? Mask or sanitizer? Next, why do they spread rumors about COVID-19? Means what, why, how. After these words, you need to join. Same rule scheme you have to follow here. After what? Do or does. Then subject, then first form, and after first form of verb, object, and the remaining part. Okay. Why do they? Why? Okay, question word. Helping verb means auxiliary form, then subject, then first form, and after first form, object. Last, how does, WH word or question word, how does your mother, right, manage being a corona warrior? Now, these sentences with present indefinite tense is complete now. And now next video will be related with some new tenses. Okay, thank you very much.